In today's video, I'm going to give you a draw.io tutorial for beginners. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing, and let's get right into it. To begin, navigate to draw.io using your preferred web browser. Draw.io is a robust online diagramming tool that empowers you to create a wide variety of diagrams, ranging from simple flowcharts to intricate network architectures, all within your web browser. This eliminates the need for any additional software installations, making it an accessible choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Upon arriving at the draw.io homepage, you will be prompted to decide where you'd like to save your diagram. Draw.io offers several storage options to cater to different preferences and requirements. You can choose to save your diagrams locally on your device, which is ideal for quick access without relying on internet connectivity. Alternatively, you can opt to save your work to cloud storage services such as Google Drive or OneDrive, which is perfect for those who need to access their diagrams from multiple devices or collaborate with others in real time. If you're unsure about where to save your diagram at this moment, you can simply select the option to decide later. This flexibility allows you to start working on your diagram immediately without the need to commit to a storage location right away. Deciding later ensures that you can focus on the creative process without being sidetracked by technical configurations. After selecting your preferred storage option or choosing to decide later, you will be directed to the main interface of draw.io. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice the diagram name displayed prominently. By default, this may be labelled as Untitled Diagram, but you can click on this area to rename your diagram to something more descriptive. Renaming your diagram helps in organising your projects, especially when managing multiple diagrams simultaneously, ensuring that each one is easily identifiable. Directly below the diagram name, you'll find the ribbon features, which are a series of menus that provide access to various tools and functions within draw.io. The ribbon includes options such as File, Edit, View, Arrange, Extras, and Help. Each of these menus houses a multitude of functionalities designed to enhance your diagramming experience, offering you comprehensive control over every aspect of your work. When you click on the File menu, a drop-down will appear displaying several options like New, Open, Save, Save As, and more. Selecting New allows you to start a fresh diagram, providing a blank canvas for your ideas. Open lets you access and edit existing diagrams, making it easy to revisit and modify your previous work. Save and Save, as are essential for storing your work, ensuring that your progress is kept safe and can be revisited or shared as needed. This menu also includes options for exporting your diagram in various formats, printing and accessing version history if available, which is particularly useful for tracking changes over time. Navigating to the edit menu reveals tools such as undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, and find. These are fundamental editing functions that enable you to modify your diagram efficiently. For instance, the undo and redo features allow you to easily reverse or reinstate recent changes, which is invaluable when experimenting with different layouts or correcting mistakes. The cut, copy, and paste functions enable you to move or duplicate elements within your diagram seamlessly, enhancing your workflow and saving time during the creative process. The View menu provides options to customize how you see your workspace. Under View, you can find settings like Format, which allows you to adjust the aesthetics of your diagram. Outline, which gives you a bird's eye view of your entire diagram structure, Layers, which helps manage different levels of elements, and Tags, which are useful for categorizing and searching through elements within your diagram. These tools are particularly helpful when working on detailed or large-scale diagrams, ensuring that you can maintain clarity and organization throughout your project. Selecting the Arrange menu opens up a variety of options related to the positioning and layering of your diagram elements. Features such as Send to Front or Send to Back, Bring Forward or Backward empower you to control the stacking order of shapes and objects within your diagram. This control is crucial when certain elements need to be highlighted or brought to the forefront for better visibility, or conversely pushed to the background to avoid clutter and maintain a clean layout. Within the Extras menu, you'll find additional settings that allow you to further customize your draw.io experience. Here you can change the language of the interface, adjust the appearance settings, switch between different themes, and access other advanced options. This is particularly useful if you're working in a multilingual environment or if you prefer a specific visual theme that enhances your workflow and reduces eye strain during prolonged diagramming sessions. Clicking on the Help menu provides you with a range of support options. You can access keyboard shortcuts to increase your productivity by performing actions more quickly, and support to find answers to common questions, contact customer service, or access tutorials and guides that can assist you in making the most out of draw.io. This resource is invaluable, especially for beginners who may need guidance on maximizing the tool's capabilities. Moving down from the ribbon just below it, you'll encounter the toolbar. The toolbar is filled with essential tools that facilitate the creation and editing of your diagrams. Among the primary functionalities available here are zoom controls, which allow you to adjust the magnification of your workspace to focus on specific areas or get an overview of your entire diagram. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining precision when working on detailed sections, or ensuring that you can easily navigate through a complex diagram. Within the toolbar, you will also find the undo and redo buttons, which provide quick access to these frequently used functions without needing to navigate back to the edit menu. This feature is particularly useful when you need to make quick fixes or adjustments on the fly, ensuring that your workflow remains smooth and uninterrupted. The center trash button offers a convenient way to delete elements that are no longer needed in your diagram. Simply select the unwanted element and click the center trash button to remove it efficiently, keeping your workspace clean and organized. This tool helps in maintaining the clarity and relevance of your diagram by ensuring that only necessary elements are present. Additionally, the bring to front and center back buttons offer immediate control over the layering of shapes and objects, ensuring that your diagram remains organized and visually coherent. Properly arranging your elements ensures that your diagram not only looks professional, but also effectively communicates the intended information without any visual obstructions. Customization of elements is made easy with the fill color and text color tools available in the toolbar. By selecting the desired color, you can enhance the visual appeal of your diagram, making it more engaging and easier to interpret. Consistent use of colors can also help in conveying specific meanings or categorizing different types of information within your diagram, thereby improving its overall readability and effectiveness. The toolbar also provides access to features like connection and waypoint tools, which are essential for linking different elements within your diagram. The connection tool allows you to draw lines or arrows between shapes, indicating relationships or flows of information. The waypoint tool lets you adjust the path of these connections for better precision and clarity, ensuring that your connectors follow the most logical and aesthetically pleasing routes within your diagram. The insert tool in the toolbar facilitates the addition of various elements to your diagram. Whether you need to add new shapes, images, icons, or entire sections, the insert tool makes it easy to incorporate a variety of components into your work. This flexibility is particularly useful when you need to augment your diagram with new information or visual elements to better represent your ideas. Creating tables within your diagram is made simple with the Insert Table option. Tables are particularly useful for organizing data in a structured format, allowing you to present information clearly and concisely. Whether you're mapping out project timelines, organizing network nodes, or listing resources, tables provide a straightforward way to incorporate detailed data into your diagrams. On the right side of the draw.io interface, you will find two panels, the diagram panel and the style panel. These panels offer additional controls and customization options to further refine your diagram, providing you with deeper control over its structure and appearance. Clicking on the diagram panel will reveal your diagram settings, including options like grid view and page view. Grid view allows you to align elements precisely by snapping them to an invisible grid, which can help maintain consistency and balance throughout your diagram. This feature is especially useful when working on complex diagrams that require meticulous alignment of multiple elements. The page view option within the diagram panel is particularly beneficial when working on multi-page diagrams. It lets you manage and navigate between different pages seamlessly, ensuring that your diagram remains organized and easy to navigate, even as it grows in complexity. This is essential for projects that span multiple sections or require detailed breakdowns across various pages. Within the diagram panel, you can manage various aspects of your diagram's layout and structure. Options such as View allow you to toggle between different display modes, ensuring that you can see your diagram from multiple perspectives. Connection options enable you to define how elements are linked together, specifying line styles, arrowheads, and connector types to suit the needs of your diagram. This customization is essential for creating diagrams that accurately represent processes, workflows, or relationships. Additionally, the paper size settings in the diagram panel give you control over the dimensions of your diagram. Whether you're designing for digital presentations, printed reports, or any other specific format, setting the correct paper size ensures that your diagram fits perfectly within the intended medium without any unwanted cropping or scaling issues. This is particularly important when preparing diagrams for professional use, where precise dimensions may be required. Switching your focus to the Style panel provides you with tools for managing and editing the visual style of your diagram. The Style panel offers options for adjusting colors, line styles, and other visual attributes, allowing you to maintain a consistent and professional appearance throughout your diagram. By customizing these elements, you can enhance the visual appeal of your work, making it more engaging and easier to interpret. Color management within the Style panel is crucial for creating visually appealing and easy to understand diagrams. By selecting appropriate colors for different elements, you can highlight important information, distinguish between different categories, and enhance the overall readability of your diagram. Consistent use of color schemes also contributes to the professional quality of your work, ensuring that it meets high standards of presentation. Beyond colors, the Style panel allows you to modify line styles, such as changing a solid line to a dashed one, or adjusting the thickness of lines. These adjustments can help emphasize certain connections or sections within your diagram, adding a layer of visual hierarchy that guides the viewer's attention effectively. This is particularly useful in complex diagrams, where distinguishing between different types of connections is necessary for clarity. The Style panel also provides options for adjusting fill patterns and gradients, which can add depth and dimension to your diagram elements. By experimenting with different styles and patterns, you can create diagrams that are not only informative but also visually engaging and tailored to your specific needs. These customization options allow you to infuse your personal or organizational branding into your diagrams, ensuring consistency across all your projects. Returning to the left side of the draw.io interface, the left panel is your gateway to all the elements you can incorporate into your diagram. This panel is organized into various categories, each containing different types of elements that serve specific purposes within your diagrams. Navigating through these categories allows you to access a comprehensive library of shapes, connectors, tables, and other tools necessary for detailed and effective diagramming. The Scratchpad option within the left panel offers a space for quick brainstorming and drafting. You can jot down ideas, sketch preliminary layouts, or test different configurations before committing them to your main diagram. This flexible space encourages creativity and experimentation, allowing you to refine your ideas before integrating them into your structured diagram. Utilizing the Scratchpad can save you time and help streamline your workflow by providing a dedicated area for initial concept development. Under the General Shapes category, you'll find a collection of standard geometric shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, and more. These basic shapes are the foundation of most diagrams, providing the building blocks for creating complex structures by combining and modifying them to suit your needs. By dragging and dropping these shapes onto your canvas, you can begin to construct the framework of your diagram with ease. Connectors are essential for indicating relationships or flows between different elements within your diagram. By using the Connectors tool, you can draw lines or arrows that link shapes together, clearly illustrating how different components interact or influence each other. Effective use of connectors is key to creating diagrams that are logical and easy to follow, as they help in visualizing the connections and dependencies between various elements. The Tables option allows you to add structured data directly into your diagram in the form of tables. Tables are beneficial for organizing information in a clear and concise manner, allowing you to present data without cluttering your diagram with excessive text. Whether you're mapping out project timelines, organizing network nodes, or listing resources, tables provide a straightforward way to incorporate detailed data into your diagrams, enhancing their informational value. Waypoints give you precise control over the routing of your connectors. By adding waypoints, you can bend or adjust the path of a connector to navigate around other elements, or to follow a specific path that best represents the relationship between two connected shapes. This level of control ensures that your connectors are neat and do not clutter the diagram, maintaining overall clarity and readability. Properly routed connectors contribute to a more professional and polished appearance of your diagrams. In addition to the utilitarian elements, the left panel also includes various shapes that cater to more specialized diagramming needs. Whether you're creating a flowchart, designing a network diagram, Or mapping out a process, the shapes category provides the necessary elements to accurately represent each component of your diagram. These specialized shapes help in conveying specific types of information more effectively, enhancing the overall communication power of your diagrams. Arrows are fundamental for indicating directionality or flow within your diagrams. By incorporating arrows, you can clearly show the sequence of steps in a process, the direction of influence in a network, or the movement of data within a system. Arrows add a dynamic element to your diagrams, making them more informative and easier to understand at a glance. The ability to customize arrow styles and directions further enhances their utility in conveying precise information. Ribbons offer a way to add labels or annotations to specific parts of your diagram without disrupting the overall layout. By using ribbons, you can highlight important information, provide additional context, or tag elements for easier identification and reference. This enhances the explanatory power of your diagrams, making them more effective communication tools by ensuring that key information is both noticeable and accessible. Flowchart symbols are a specialized set of shapes designed specifically for creating process maps and workflow diagrams. These symbols follow standardized conventions, making your process diagrams universally understandable and easily interpretable by others. Utilizing flowchart symbols ensures that your diagrams adhere to professional standards, which is particularly important in business and technical environments where clarity and consistency are paramount. Each category within the left panel is thoughtfully organized to provide you with the tools you need for different aspects of diagram creation. By exploring and utilizing these elements, you can build comprehensive and detailed diagrams that effectively convey your ideas and information. This organized approach not only speeds up the diagramming process, but also ensures that your final product is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. As you integrate these elements into your diagram, remember to maintain consistency in terms of size, color, and style. Consistent use of these attributes not only makes your diagram more visually appealing, but also helps in communicating information more clearly by establishing visual patterns that guide the viewer's eye naturally through the diagram. Consistency aids in creating a professional look and makes your diagrams easier to understand at a glance. Furthermore, consider the overall layout of your diagram to ensure that it is both logical and aesthetically pleasing. Group related elements together, use alignment tools to keep your diagram orderly, and leverage the distribution tools within the toolbar to space elements evenly. A well-organized layout enhances the readability and professionalism of your diagram, making it easier for others to understand and interpret the information presented. In addition to the basic diagramming tools, Draw.io also offers advanced features that can further enhance your diagrams. Exploring these features, such as custom shape creation, embedding multimedia elements, or integrating with other applications, can open up new possibilities for creating dynamic and interactive diagrams tailored to your specific needs. These advanced tools provide greater flexibility and functionality, allowing you to push the boundaries of what you can achieve with your diagrams. By thoroughly exploring and utilizing each of these tools and features, you can maximize the potential of Draw.io, creating diagrams that are not only functional but also visually striking and effective in conveying your intended message. Whether you're drafting simple organizational charts or developing complex technical diagrams, Draw.io provides the comprehensive set of tools necessary to bring your ideas to life with precision and creativity. As you continue to work with Draw.io, you'll discover that mastering its interface and features can significantly enhance your productivity and the quality of your diagrams. Regular practice and exploration of different tools will build your proficiency, enabling you to create more complex and detailed diagrams with ease. Don't hesitate to revisit the help menu or access online tutorials to further deepen your understanding and skill set, ensuring that you can leverage Draw.io to its fullest potential in all your diagramming endeavors.